How is a question word used to ask about the process or procedure of something, or the steps someone does in accomplishing something. How do plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is I, you, we, they, or a plural noun. Examples. How do I live without you? How do I eat this? How do you survive with a meager income? How do you drive a right-hand drive car? How do we solve this problem? How do we contact all our members for the meeting? How do they maintain their flower farm? How do they clean their house when it's very big? How do Mary and Mart solve their domestic problems? How do your helpers take care of your children? How does plus subject plus verb is used when the subject is he, she, it, or a singular noun. Examples. How does he arrange his clothes in the closet? How does he make banana bread? How does he start his painting? How does she apply for a job? How does she care for her dad? How does it grow? How does it behave? How does Steve prepare for his presentation every week? How does Mart manage his piggery?